I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Toyota Prius. First, let's cover the most common method, using your smart key fob. Simply press the lock button once on your key fob. You will hear a single beep and see the hazard lights flash one time, confirming all doors are securely locked. This is a quick and easy way to ensure your vehicle is protected every time you step away. Always double-check for peace of mind. Next, let's explore the convenient proximity locking feature. With your smart key in your pocket or bag, simply walk away from your Prius. When you are about 3 feet away, the vehicle will automatically lock its doors. You will hear 2 quick beeps and see the hazard lights flash twice, indicating a successful automatic lock. This hands-free method is perfect for busy moments, ensuring your car is always secured without an extra thought. Sometimes you might need to lock your Prius from the inside. To do this, locate the power door lock switch on the driver's side door panel. Pressing this switch will immediately lock all 4 doors and the rear hatch. This is useful if you are the last one to exit or if you need to secure the vehicle while still inside. Always confirm the lock indicator light illuminates on your dashboard. Finally, let's discuss using the physical key, especially if your key fob battery is low. First, slide out the mechanical key hidden inside your smart key fob. Then, insert this key into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key clockwise 1 full turn to manually lock the door. This ensures you can always secure your Prius, even without the electronic functions of the smart key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.